We start out when we know the moisture is in the atmosphere because we can see this moisture. See, fog is just a cloud on the ground, so that low-lying moisture is sitting over us, lowering visibility for you. We're at 55 degrees right now, humidity at 93%. That's a completely saturated environment. 55 for Indy, 48 for Peru. About 56 for you in Bloomington. So let's start out with this fog. Visibility right now is less than 2 miles for Indy. The further north you go, the lower the visibility. Peru, you're at 3/4 of a mile, about 1 mile for you in Lafayette. So visibility is low because of the fog, the moisture in the atmosphere. The radar for us, pretty quiet. If you look off to our west, you'll actually see the storm that we're tracking. That storm system that you see just east of, actually just west of Memphis, and the system around Omaha, those come together. That's a system of low pressure in that front that will slide over the area, bringing us showers and storms by afternoon. As we zoom into the radar right now, it's pretty quiet. There is an exception. There's one lone little storm that's sitting off to our south that's in the southern portion of the state. So right around the Indiana-Kentucky state line there is where we're seeing that system. Let's get into what happens. I want to take you hour by hour through this forecast because there's a lot happening here today. We're going to start out at 7 a.m. A few isolated showers could slide in at this point. Very light rain for us at this point. If we see rain early this morning, I think that system will have some difficulty sliding in. You can see we're pretty quiet most of the morning, and then at around noon to 1 p.m. some isolated showers and storms begin to slide into the area. These come through, they bring heavy downpours of rain. My concern here is with the second set of systems that will slide in. Now the thunderstorms that move in after 5 p.m. this is the line of storms that could become severe. This line of storms, it moves in bringing heavy downpours of rain ahead of this system. Very gusty winds, as winds will gust in excess of 40 miles per hour ahead of this front. As it slides through, it slides slowly across the state, bringing the possibility of severe weather to most of us. It diminishes and moves out by about 9 p.m., and then we're just left with a few lingering showers. As far as your day temperature-wise today, we warm up to, I think, about 65 degrees, those isolated showers and storms there. The record set back in 1933 of 64. I think we'll easily break that as we warm to 65. Now, as we go throughout the night, the temperature's not falling too far. Down to the upper 40s in the overnight hours for us as the showers diminish. We're going to bring you a fantastic Christmas Eve. Temperatures in the mid-50s remaining dry. So we'll dry out the atmosphere for Christmas Eve, and we do have a slight chance of a spot shower moving into the forecast on Christmas Day. It is slight. We remain cloudy. It's mainly in the northern third of the state, so we'll watch that system. As we put it all together in the 7-day planning forecast, I want to show you what's happening here. You'll notice those temperatures will definitely hold steady and remain pretty mild throughout the extended forecast. You're looking at a very rainy weekend with mild temperatures. Today, 65 degrees. Make sure you download the Storm Shield app for any watches and warnings that are issued ahead of the severe threat that's possible this afternoon.